Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to change the ink from the printer. I have the printer Brother. The model number is Dcp L2520 Dw, and this is the printer. So I ran out of ink and I purchased one at Amazon. So I'm going to change it now. Stay tuned to check it out. Okay, so let's go upstairs. Let's check out this printer. Here's the printer. Look at it right here. So let's see. We're gonna start. Let's open this. Okay, here it is. Now let's take this out. Let's see. Okay, here it is. It's coming out. So basically, it comes out with a full tray. This is an old ink already. So yes, here it is. So now let's see. Right here, that green button unlocks the ink, and you see how it comes out. And yeah, now we're gonna put it back. This is the new ink actually. So let's press it, and then we just put the whole tray in. It's kind of like a slide through, and now it's set. Let's close this, and yeah, now we can close this, and it's done. Here's the model of the ink, and yeah, so I have already put the ink in. Now the next step will be to print. I will do that later because my husband is busy working. So here it is. By the way, I did print out and the printer worked perfectly. So that's it for now. Bye.